Samsung's biggest software update, One UI 4.0, based on Android 12, is almost here. They said to bring some visual changes. We'll taking a look at the possible features as well as the devices that are going to get this update. According to Weinbach, Samsung has started testing Android 12 for the S21 series. We can expect to see the first public beta coming out in the month of November. One UI 4.0 will be Samsung's 9th One UI version upgrade. As expected, some Galaxy phones and tablets will be eligible for this future Android 12-based firmware update, while others will be left behind. According to one of Samsung's community managers, Galaxy S21, S21 Plus, and S21 Ultra are invited to sign up for the beta program, which will go live soon. Unfortunately, it is only open to users in South Korea at the moment. There's no set date for the start of the One UI 4.0 beta program yet. But taking the Note 20 series as an example, One UI 3.0 open beta started in late October, and the stable update was rolled out in mid-December. So we can expect to get a public beta update around that time. According to a new leak, One UI 4.0 will include changes to the app icons and color scheme. It will apparently be somewhat similar to the vanilla Android 12 look. It's even claimed that Samsung will adapt the Android 12 Material UI for its custom One UI spin. Software optimizations will be made for improved performance with the Snapdragon 888 and Exynos 2100 shipments. Samsung will make minor Knox improvements as well. A major update for the Samsung Notes app is said to be in the pipeline as well. That might be due to a lot more Samsung devices supporting the S Pen now. That's all we know about the Samsung's major update now. Here are some more devices that are expected to receive this major update.